So have you uploaded a few digital products on Etsy, but you're not seeing any sales or traffic? Maybe you're ready to count the market as too competitive and give up. Well, before you give up, let me show you a quick little thing you can do. It just takes 5 minutes, but it can really elevate your listings and help you stand out from the flood of competitors. So back in 2016, Etsy added the ability to add videos to your listings, so it's certainly nothing new, but surprisingly enough, 5 years later, you don't see as many people use it as you think you would, especially with digital products. And as you can see, whenever a listing has a video in the marketplace, whenever you hover over with the cursor, you can see the video automatically plays. This does two things. One, it gives more context on the product so people can get more views of it. And two, it catches people's attention. So if they're scrolling through here and all of a sudden there's a video playing, it's like, oh, my signals in my brain automatically goes to it and I pay more attention to it. Because it's no secret that video is the best engagement medium, so you must utilize it. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own listing videos for free and with no video editing experience. So we're going to be using Canva, and if you're not familiar with Canva or if you don't have an account, you can sign up. There's a link in the description below. It is free. They also have a paid version, but you can certainly do it for free with what we're doing today. And here's a little example of one I've created for one of my listings. It's just a very simple animation showing the pages coming up on the screen, going off the screen, and it just loops like that. So this example that I'm going to show you today is ideal for multi-page digital products, but you can certainly use the same principles even if you have other non-multi-page products. So to start off, we're going to create a new file. And Etsy listings are a 4:3 ratio. So we are going to do custom size, and I'm going to go to inches, and we're going to do a 4:3 ratio. So that would be 8 inches by 6 inches. And this gives us enough size to meet Etsy's standards, and we should be good to go. All right, so we've got a blank artboard, and whenever you click on the artboard, you can see up in the left-hand corner, there's a little timer. And this is how long, if you export this as a video, how long that frame or that page is going to be on the screen. So this is 5 seconds, which is a good amount of time, but we can change it later if we need to. So let's go ahead and change the background. Just click on this and hit the color wheel up here, and you can change it to whatever color. I would recommend something that catches people's attention, so not just white. Let's do like a nice magenta pinkish color. And then after that, we're going to upload our digital product to Canva. So just go to uploads over here on the left-hand side, and you can upload your files. And once you upload the individual JPEGs of each page, you can see they populate here, and you can simply click on it and it populates within your artboard. So arrange these however you want. You can do diagonally and do them like across the page like this if you want to catch people's attention like that, or you can do up and down. I'm going to do like this just because I've already started it and I might as well finish it. And to copy and paste, all I'm doing is holding the Alt button and dragging, and then I can just drag the other files and populate that. So each image is a different page. Sorry if I'm going too fast. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. The main thing is the animation, and so I'm just kind of designing it real quick. Okay, so I've got my design here, and if you have a whole bunch of pages and you want to feature every single page, you can add a new page right here and do the same thing, just with more pages. And then once you export as a video, it'll do both pages at once. Eats for however much you have the timer up here for. So 5 seconds, that would be a 10-second long video for 2 pages. Okay, so now let's actually do the animation part of it. So whenever you click on one of these pages or one of these elements, you can see up here there's a new bar, and now there's the option to animate it. So let's hit animate. And you can see there's a whole bunch of different options, and when you hover over it, you can kind of see what that's going to do. So I'm just going to choose this baseline one right here, and whenever I click on it, it pulls up more options, and you want to make sure you animate on both enter and exit. So this means it'll go on the page and then off the page. So this is ideal for loops. And then you can also choose the speed and direction, so if you want to get really customizable with it. And now once you choose the animation you like, just go and shift click all the other pages that need animations, or you can just marquee select and drag your cursor and apply the same animation. So as you can see, now they're all animating like that, and I want to make sure they're all animated for both. And then once we do that, we can go up here to the top right, hit this little play button, and we can see what that looks like. So that's pretty cool. I like that. It catches people's attention. Oh, I forgot one. It's simple, but you can of course play with it, add more detail if you want. But it's just that extra motion that when people hover over your listings, it pops up and it's more engaging than just a static listing image. And then once you're done with everything, go up to share, download, and then you want to make sure the file type is an MP4. because that's a video. All other file types would be static, and then just hit download, and you have your final product. So once you're done with all that, just go back to your Etsy listing and just upload it to the video section, and now whenever people hover over your listing, it will play that video.